Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade a card on Marvel Snap. So let's get started. First, launch the Marvel Snap game. Go to the collection section by tapping on the cards icon from the bottom of your screen. Here, you will see all the cards that you have collected till now. Find the card that you want to upgrade and tap on it. Tap on the upgrade button. To upgrade any card on Marvel Snap, you need to have enough credits and boosters. Check if you have the required amount of both. Finally, if you have enough credits and boosters, tap on the credits and booster button to complete the upgrade. And this is how you can upgrade a card on Marvel Snap. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.